Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex review for today. So starting off with EURUSD as normal, and you can see the channel is broken. Haven't quite tested it, but we have broken, and it was a bit messy yesterday. We are flirting with all these levels at the moment, and this level to the downside is probably the key to everything at the moment. It's 119.200. So if we come down to the hour, you can see moving averages crossed over, pointing down, and we're bouncing off. It was a bit of a messy day, big up, big down, big up, big down. But my view of this at the moment is it is set for a continuation to the downside. So this is the area I would like to be shorting off. It's 119.200. I'd like some kind of a pullback into this area, and it could go a little bit higher than that. If you look at that trend line there, could go a little bit higher, sort of to 119.300 area, but that is the zone that I'm looking to. I'm looking for shorts basically. Stop is going to be above the high of yesterday. What are we aiming for? Well, just come back to the 8 hour for this. This was a big move down. Come up, test the moving averages. Oscillators starting to cross over again, and you can see the sellers coming in off the top here. So we're still betting on a strong dollar. That's pretty much what's happening. And I would be looking somewhere down 118, 144 at the moment for a target area. US dollar, Japanese yen. We've come back onto support. Does look like we're finding support here. We've got an inside bar and looking interesting here. The oscillators are looking even more interesting for me at the moment. Trend is up. There's no reason to be looking for shorts here. We're looking for opportunities to buy. And I think we have one brewing right here at 110.500. So 110.500, you can see pretty strong area of support here. 110.500, see all the tails on this area, and we've got a break above it. So what we're looking for is a new high, and that high is going to come there. So you can see another area of strong support or resistance at the moment. So what I would be waiting for is an opportunity to buy into this, but I want to get above here, 110.660, because look at the moving averages at the moment. They've crossed over, pointing down. So I want to be above here, and I want to be above the moving averages, come back and test them on the hour. That is the opportunity I'm looking for a move to the upside. What are we looking for? We're looking for another leg like this up. So we're looking for around 1,360 pips, and you'll measure it from the downside from wherever the low is. It can still come down to the next two levels. If it does, then we would need to adjust our thoughts. But at the moment, looking at the dollar, I think you should be looking for opportunity to buy into this, nothing else. Okay, British pound, Japanese yen. Pretty much London breakout strategy yesterday didn't quite work out. Not a perfect science. And we come back to some kind of retracement. Now, overall, the trend was up. As you can see, it's been up for quite a few weeks. However, at the moment, below the moving averages, above the moving averages, now back below with a crossover. I would be looking for some kind of pullback into structure. And I just want to put both of these here. So you can see what I'm doing, guys. There's all the structure we need in the world right there. Come to the hour. You can see how, look at that, buyers trying to get through the moving averages, couldn't do it, and then rejected that area quite nicely. This is a big zone here. So what I'd be waiting for is a revisit of 153.579 this morning, something like that, possibly even as not getting that far and just coming to this area here, which was a low of yesterday. But I think, you know, it'll probably more than likely come back to the close and then move down. It'll just close that gap. So this is also another one for short. So we're looking for pullback, and at the moment your stop area is above this consolidation here. So that's kind of the stop area up there, 154.234. You're looking for pullback onto structure, and then you're looking for another move to the downside. Where are we looking to go to? Good question, because there's nothing really that could potentially hold us up. We've kind of through this area here. This one here may hold up price a little bit, but it has been tested in the past. Oh, and it's been tested again. So yeah, there's nothing really holding this up. So you want to move up, and then as soon as you break through this, your next area of potential support is down here, and that is 152472. So another one we're looking for a short. Wait for the pullback on structure, stop above the previous fractional high. At the moment it's all the way up here. There's going to be pretty wide stop on this one, but I think that is pretty much the structure we see. Euro British pound, same situation here. You can see how messy it's been on the weekly, all the way up to the 155 and then bouncing off it. I don't think we're going to get that high. Look at the diversions here. So low, high, low, lower, low. So there's massive diversions on a higher time frame. Those are normally a higher probability trades that are setting up. So that is also looking pretty interesting. Although on the hour you can see how the reversal has happened here. We're looking for pretty much a move to the upside here. This one I think is a sit on hands for me. British pound, Japanese yen offers a little bit more structure. The euro is looking to be weaker against the dollar, so it could potentially turn out to be weaker against the pound as well. So a little bit of confusion here for me on this one. So yeah, I'm not going to be interested in the euro pound. I think we'll wait on the side here. So it could continue to the upside, and I think the area you need to pay attention to is here. So 0.85853. If you do start getting some positive price action off that level, stop is below the swing low of yesterday, and you're looking for a move to the upside. My problem with the move to the upside is just on the 8 hour. Look at how much resistance is up here for some reason, and it's diagonal resistance that's on this at the moment. It could be a big double bottom brewing. So there, bit of diversions there, and the neckline is up here. But I would wait for confirmation for that. So basically you need a break and retest of 0.86 on the 8 hour, and that would start giving you confidence that there is a potential reversal in the trend. Anyway, that is kind of my view at the moment. But all over the place on euro pound, but that's fine. There's 3 other trade opportunities there for you. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.